What's going on, guys? It's Venom here, and I know I'm not supposed to shine light on my face, but don't worry, guys, I'm alright. My eyes are perfect. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, it's Venom here. Welcome back to another video, but a storm video, and check this out. Look, like a freaking typhoon. Like, Jesus. If you guys are having a storm as well, like what I am having right now, stay safe, like me. And don't go out. Yeah, sorry. Ooh. Hey, better not drop my phone there. It would not be good. I know it's very hard to see it because it's very dark out here. See, what time is it? It's 9:28. Here, right. See here, the time is 9:29 right now. So, yeah. Okay, guys, do you like my watch? You do? Thank you. Huh. Yeah, I think I saw it. I'm not going past this line right here, so you guys know what I mean. Oh no, he's a very good course. Darn, this storm is having a huge rage. Yeah, for sure. For darn sure. I'm like, holy guys, like, look at this. Literally, guys, like, holy in the name of God. I want the storm to be freaking gone now. Like, seriously, guys, like, holy I can't comprehend this storm. Like, you know what I guess mean, right? Don't you? This storm's so freaking terrible, isn't it? Isn't it? Sorry. Ooh, we also got a flash flood warning, like advisory here. Yeah, definitely. Sorry, I didn't know anything. You guys might see a little water out there, but it's hard to see. It's like, cause like I said, it's very dark out here. Yeah, what time is it? Is it very dark? It's 9:31. Hey guys, it's very dark out here. Sorry. Ooh. What a storm. Anyways, guys, that shall now be all for today. Wish me luck, sorry, to be safe. And I'll see you next time. And you two guys, be safe as well. Peace.